Alright guys, so for the next review is this one right here, the JPNK Black Head Remover Toolkit Z-Pack. This was $7.99, so pretty much $8. And guess what? We got it right here. Okay, it comes with this nice leather case. Professional clear solution. Comes with instruction showing you the... Okay, this is for whitehead, tough blackhead, clamp for acnes and whitehead to pull out easily, the middle size. Oh yeah, so it tells you all the instructions. Oh cool. Whoa, look at that toolkit. Nice. So they're all properly labeled, like I mean they all have their space. Alright guys, so we're gonna show you guys what they look like. Alright, take it off. Okay guys, so overall this is what it looks like. You got two needle looking. Then you got this right here, kind of like the same thing, but you know, one is thinner, one is thicker, and then this one here, I think this is the main pimple popper right here, there, and then like I said, look, see, it's kind of like the same thing, but I guess they're designed differently. And then you have the little tweezer. Okay guys, so once you're done doing your own surgery to yourself or to your other person, just put it back, close nicely tight. Doesn't open. This is super nice. So remember, it's like the professional blackhead cleaner with instruction. It's this one right here. Thank you guys.